Today we're going to be making some videos with this beautiful 2018 McLaren 720S.
Next we're going to do the air filter. We're going to inspect the air filters, and if it needs to, we're going to do a refresh. These are the reusable air filters, so if it needs a refresh, we're going to wash them, dry them, and then re-oil them. But the biggest thing is getting to them, taking them out, looking at them, and then putting it back on. For that, we will put this car on the lift the rear of the car, remove the rear wheels, remove the liners, and then remove the air filter covers.
Safety third, we always wheel chalk the front wheels. All right, for this procedure, you want to jack up the back of the car, and you want to make sure that you use these labeled jack points here and over there to lift up the rear.
So this helps you take the wheel out without damaging the super cheap carbon ceramic.
I will clean them outside.
Okay.
We can put some links to these in the description.
Yes, links in the description.
All right, to remove the wheel liners, we're going to use a Torx T30 to get all of the little bolts off all around in here. All right, so each side has 13 of these. All right, once you get them out, you can just pull this in this way, peel it out, and bring it out. Now there are two additional ones right here that you don't have to remove. They're just holding these two pieces together.
Okay.
All right, so we got our little air box in here.
Oh, 8. Yep.
What it looks like, you can see this big long tube coming in. Through the rear of the car, we can see some of it here.
Got that one there. Where's the other one? Right there. It's an LX7X. 700 horsepower, naturally aspirated. It's supposed to weigh right at 2,000 pounds. Hold on, right?
Oh yeah, you can't see it there. Yep. You can see it through right up here.
Okay, there's one more. Can you see the other one?
Yeah, you can see it. Well, you can see that. That's where you just took the one off right there.
Uh-huh. And where's the other one?
All right, so the 3 bolts holding this ECU in. We're gonna remove those.
Careful.
And then just drop the ECU.
Carefully. See, I can get to those 2 bolts without having to, now that the ECU is out, I can get to those 2 bolts without, there's one and there's one.
Yep, so.
I think I can do it without.
Yeah, we don't have to take off this diffuser. Yep, these 3 were also T25s.
Them from here, right?
Yeah, now you can see the other 2 bolts that we had not been able to reach before. Pretty easy to get to now.
Look at this. All right, Dave, stabilize it there. Press it in. Yeah. His. Let's get this box out of the way. Here's the all right.
And our cover comes off.
Did you say you had the BMC installed?
We have an air filter.
We have oh, I thought you said you put the BMC filters on. This filter could use a
The schmutzig in it.
Yeah. Let's get another set of filters.
It's not bad, but
It's not bad. I mean, I can put it back in.
How long has it been in there?
Did he not do it last time?
Look him.
Probably like 2 years ago.
You can get your air thing after it.
Yeah. Not terrible. The side, take. So the lesson learned here is take the controller off, set it to the side.
3 8mm bolts.
Yep. And this one, it's going to be 3mm bolts. Put it to the side, get this off, and then put this back with a bolt because you don't want it falling back on your beautiful discus.
3 8mm.
Oh, this makes it so much freaking easier. Where do we go? All right, and then all these were 8mm as well, right?
Yep.
And how many were there?
13. No, there was 13 on the.
I think it's 4.
Yeah, but there's 13 on the cover.
Ooh, that would have been a lot. That would have been a lot.
No, there's 4 for the.
4 on the gefilte fish.
On the ECU or the TCU?
Yeah, one of them. This is a TC. This is the transmission control unit. The other one is the engine control unit. How do I know? Big letters on it.
I'll clean this off.
Where's the other one?
Get faster.
Well, we're definitely getting better at doing this. In the
It works
beginning.
that way.
Right on it.
Coming through here.
That one
from
was the
rear.
difficult one. This one was the most difficult one because of the turn, but where was the easier one?
You can actually see them right here.
Oh, that
through
one?
The rear
Right there.
bumper. Yeah. Take an extension straight up here, and you can get to it.
Where is it? Here, you want to guide it?
There you go. Out.
That was a lot easier with 2 hands. How many bolts did we have on? Did we have another one on this? Yep, there's one right
One
there.
in each corner.
Oh, super nice. You always carry those with you?
All
Alright, that was easy. Now for the toughest one. This is the one that requires the...
Swivel.
You know what? I think I'm going to go with your recommendation.
All right, so the last bolt is over in that corner there. You can almost see it.
Yeah, that's the one that
Oh yeah, there it is.
always gives us... Gosh, that would be silly.
All right, 1/4 inch extensions and a little universal swivel.
What can I hold that will help you?
Nothing right now. This is just about... okay. Got it? Oh, okay. This isn't as hard as the other one. I think it's partly because I used the smaller...
Yeah, there we go. Got it out.
Is it off? Oh, no, it's on a hand.
That's what it looks like from the
Yeah.
inside.
It's a little bit more complicated, but it beats taking the entire diffuser out, to be honest.
All right, with all 5 of those off, thing will just drop down and out, and you can see your air filter. Air filter is just stuck in there with friction. Pull it right off. And there you go. This is the housing that it was in.
Yeah, and that's how it gets here.
All right, I tried to put a link in the description for a new one of these. So we don't have a new one. We thought this was going to be the kind that you clean
That's the other
and
one.
replace, but we're going to get one of
What's
that
that?
type.
Yeah.
And we'll put that back in. The installation is just the opposite of removal. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Yes.